see all the pictures on North Texas Facebook group of all these kind of different things.
The shorts?
Yeah, I mean,
yeah.
And everybody's, it seems like half of the North Texas Facebook is all about Denton.
Sorry about that. Hey, if anything, people will know Denton and, you know, it's on the map, so.
Oh, that's Sherman's?
That's Sherman's, yep.
Okay, got it.
In the pattern.
Yep, see that all the time.
Yep. He's got some really nice airplanes. I haven't flown the Comanche, and I have not flown the new 150 he just got, but I have flown his 172, and I have flown his Cherokee. Sherman's good people, so.
Sounds like it, everything I see on Facebook. It's great starting to get to meet some of the people.
He, when I was still a student, he actually reached out to me kind of as a mentor to kind of help me through some stuff, because I was really losing confidence in myself with some of my landings, and he was like, no, he's like, let's just take your mind off of it. Let's just go for a fun flight. And we did. I had to make sure he wasn't a creeper first, but...
Well, did Steve know of him and know of him?
Steve knew of him, but Steve did not know him yet. That's actually how we initially, like, met him, so...